Hey babes, it's Jada. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all already see in the title, I'm gonna do an updated makeup routine because it changed. And I told y'all in the first one that it was gonna change. But before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below any video ideas that you guys might have for me. And don't forget to follow my social medias down below in the description box. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So first off, before we start, I need to take these braids out. I had them in for maybe about like a month now. I'm just trying to hold on till Friday because Friday I have a day. I'm gonna vlog for you guys on what we're doing. I don't want to say too much. Yeah, so on Friday we're gonna do some things and I need my hair in a protective style, so I'm just gonna brush it up in the front and stuff like that, but this is not what this video is about. So first thing I do now is I use my primer, whatchamacallit. This is from e.l.f. It's a poreless face primer. I just put like 3 dots. Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to finish my breakfast. Yo, I need to take these lashes off because they're dirty. I'm gonna probably take them off later, like when I take off my makeup. Anyways, next thing I do, okay, so like I use this in the last makeup tutorial. This is a brow styling soap. I just take this spray bottle with water and kind of just spritz the container thingy. And I brush up my eyebrows with it. Okay, so once I kind of like brush them up like that, I take this eyebrow pencil thingy from Wet n Wild. It has like 2 sides. It has the brush on this side and then like the actual pencil on this side. And I kind of just like fill in the ends. Alright, so now once I do that, I take this Pro Concealer by LA Girl. I got this at the hair store. Brush that part. Then I take my concealer brush, it looks like this, and I'm kind of just gonna shape out my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna take my darker concealer. Y'all, do not mind the bottle. I don't even know. Like, it just looks like that. And then I'm gonna also blend that in. Yo, my eyebrows want to act up. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I actually get it kind of like how I want it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. They're not really giving very sister, relative, whatever. They're not even twins, so we're just gonna move on because I know if I keep doing it, I'm gonna get mad. So on to the next. I blend it out with this brush. It's kind of like a fluffy brush, and I kind of just like either pat it in or like just wipe it. Alright y'all, so I'm done blending and I know it looks crazy. I know the concealer probably looks really light for my skin. I'm gonna go in with this concealer that I use on the top of my brows. I'm just gonna put it on my dark spots. That's pretty much the only places I'll put the concealer. So now I'm gonna take this beauty sponge, one of my foundations, Fit Me by Maybelline. The color is 360. This is my brush, my blending brush, and I kind of just like try to pat it in. I take this lighter concealer that I have and I put it right in the crease of my eyes and kind of up here. And then I also put some right on my chin. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then I take that same beauty blender and I kind of blend it in. Make sure you spritz the beauty blender. Then after that, I go in with my blush, put it on my cheeks. I go in with my contour palette, and I take like this brush and I go to like the darkest shade, get some on the brush, and this is when I kind of put it on the both sides of my nose. I don't really know how to explain this, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. So okay, so after I kind of get it like this, I blend it in with this brush. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and now is when we gonna pull out the baking powder. We gotta bake this nose, we gotta bake this face, because we want it to stay on all day. Yeah. What I do is take my sponge and I get a good amount, and then I kind of just drag it on both sides of my nose. Okay, so I do something like this. Whatever is left on the sponge, I kind of just like pat it in under my eye. I know it seems like a lot, but at the end, it's not gonna look like ashy. Do like a very light line on both sides. And then I pat in on my chin and my forehead a little. Then we're not done. I use this brush. I get setting powder and I put it right in like that line on my nose and at the tip. Now whatever's left, I just put it under my eyebrows, so the concealer that I put under there will like stick. Okay, so I kind of brushed off like the powder that I put on my face off camera, and I'm gonna show you how I do my nose, like. And sometimes it's a little bit too strong, so I have to like kind of blend it in more with my finger. But pretty much this is what it looks like. So now before I do anything else, your girl still doesn't have a setting powder yet. I don't know why. I don't know when I'm gonna get one. I don't even know which one I want yet. Like I don't know. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna use water. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back to y'all when it's dry, and I'm gonna show you what I do after that. We going back so it's nice and dry. Now I'm gonna pull out my highlighter. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this brush. I don't know where I got these brushes from. I just have them. So kind of dip it in there, kind of knock it off. Y'all see all that? And then I'm just gonna, oh, sorry. This goes the corner of my eye. And I try not to put too much. And I also take the highlighter and I put it a little bit under my eyebrow. Now I take another brush, dip it in the same highlighter, and I kind of put it on my nose. I take my mini fan brush, also dip this in the highlighter, and put it on my cheekbones. That's not cute. Anyways, after that, I take my eyeliner. I don't even do eyeliner anymore, but I use this for something else. I use it to make like fake moles on my face. So I take the brush like this and I just like put it where I want to. So y'all can't really see them, but like they're there. I hate close-ups, but I'm gonna give y'all one anyways. So I know y'all see them, so yeah. Now it's lips time, so I use the same brown pencil like in the last video, but I just don't do it as harsh. Some lip gloss on it. And yeah, basically that's it. Like, I might come back and show y'all like how it looks with like my hair done and stuff. I don't really do anything under my eyes anymore. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I kind of like get myself looking right. I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. So I hope you guys like. Hopefully you guys can kind of see like where I put the molds this time. I did my hair, my edges, so it kind of gets the full effect. Put on some jewelry, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias down below in the description box, and comment down below any video ideas that you guys might have for me. See you guys in the next video. Bye.